Hello, welcome back. I have missed you. Today I'm sharing with you 3 easy on-trend hairstyles for fall. I love a new season. It's a fresh start and a great time to try something new with your hair. Now, I will link all my previous fall hair tutorials in the description below for some more hair inspo. All right, let's get started. First up is this beautiful twisted low bun. Begin by smoothing all of your hair back with your fingers to where you want your bun to sit, and using just your fingers gives this hairstyle a soft texture. Next, secure into place, and I'm using a DIY hair bungee, and then just pinch and pull the hair around your crown for a more lived-in, less perfect look. Okay, divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections, placing your left side out of the way, and then take your right section and divide it into 2 equal pieces. Now to rope braid. Simply twist your right section 1 to 2 times clockwise, and then cross it over your left section. Now twist your new right section 1 to 2 times, and then cross it over your left section. So you're twisting clockwise, wrapping counterclockwise, and this creates the rope braid. And that repeats all the way down as far as you can go, and don't worry if it's not perfect. Next, secure your ends with a small hair elastic and repeat the exact same steps on the left side. It's definitely a bit of an arm workout. You got this. Now, take your right braid and begin to wrap it counterclockwise around your ponytail, wrapping your ends underneath your braid as you go. Now take a French pin, bobby pin, and you just want to place it through the top of your bun just to help hold it in place for now. Next, take your left braid and wrap this counterclockwise as well, going above your previous braid and wrapping your ends underneath as you go. Now, make sure you secure your ends into place first with a French pin or bobby pins. Once your bun is nicely secured, pull on your braids to fan them out. And how gorgeous! This is the perfect hairstyle to pair with your favorite chunky turtlenecks and coats for fall. Next is a simple and elegant half up, half down hairstyle. This hairstyle really showcases the hair, so I'm starting off by adding my favorite JVN shine drops to help smooth and add shine to my hair. Next, section off all of the hair from the right side of your head to just behind your ear and just place it out of the way, and then repeat on the left side. So your sections should look a little like this. Optional, but secure all your remaining hair to keep everything smooth and prevent tangling and breakage. Okay, take your right section and divide it in half, placing that top half out of the way for now, and then repeat on the left side. Now use a fine-tooth comb to smooth back your sections before tightly securing them together with a small hair elastic at the back of your head. And then repeat with those top sections, combing them back nice and smooth and securing them tightly just above your previous elastic. Next, take your index finger and thumb on your left hand and go up behind your lower elastic and grab onto that top one and then pull it behind all the way through, ponytail and all. Then, starting at the top, gently pinch and pull the hair above your elastic. This will create a very beautiful shape. And then gently pull at the bottom of your top section to create a nice swoop over your ear. And then gently pinch and pull the hair above your lower elastic, but just a little bit. To finish off the look, wrap a small piece of hair around your elastic, locking it into place by sliding a bobby pin up, behind, and through your elastic. And then use the end of your comb to add some volume at your crown. How simple yet beautiful. I love that you could dress this up for a special event or wear it as your everyday hairstyle. Lastly, my favorite, this beautiful braided look. Starting on the right side, gather the hair from above your temples, an inch or 2 back from your hairline, pulling out some face framing pieces, and then repeat on the left side. Then secure your 2 sections together at the back of your head, kind of low. You want them close to your neck. And to help prevent tangles and breakage, I like to place clips underneath, but completely optional. Next sections, gather the hair from above your ears on both sides. Now, before securing, place your index finger and middle finger on your right hand down behind your left section from earlier, and then grab onto your new left section, and you want to pull it up all the way through. And then, of course, repeat on the right side. Once both sections are through, secure them tightly together with a small hair elastic. And that is the pattern. So repeat again by gathering all of the hair from behind your ears and use your index and middle finger on your right hand to pull your left section up and all the way through your previously secured section. And then repeat on the right side. Once both sections are through, secure them tightly together with a small hair elastic. And repeat this as many times as you like. It's fun once you get the hang of it. It's like you could go all the way down to your ends if you wanted to, but I stopped once all of the hair at my neckline was braided and secured. All right, time to transform this hairstyle. Start at the top and begin pancaking your braid by pinching and pulling, making sure you're reaching in and getting those middle pieces. This will truly make the hairstyle pop and stand out. Then I finished off the look by hiding my hair elastic with the topsy tail trick, and how beautiful, and imagine this paired with a gorgeous evening dress. I love this. So there we have it. I can't wait to hear what you think. Definitely leave a comment. Let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite. I am loving this braided hairstyle. I just think it's so unique and beautiful. But I really hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.